What has been the biggest advancement at
It's
the
more
track?
than that, but let me say the technology changed quite a lot. Certainly, the cars, tires, the database, that the cars actually collect. It's much faster than used to be in the past. Even the size of engine, we used to have V10s, and now we're six-cylinder and much smaller, but the speed we're still achieving pretty much the same or very similar to what we used to be in the past. So a lot of things change over the years, and the safety as well. In the car, basically you have over 200 sensors that you can find a lot, like tire, ride height, aerodynamic, so the engine stuff as well. So there were so many details that goes into it. So even that we are out there driving the car, turn right and left, those engineers are basically looking at stuff that I have no idea, but they know exactly what we're doing. So even if we do something wrong, we cannot lie about it. They know what we're doing. But it's been great. It's helping us a lot to develop and go fast.
So Ron, what kind of data are you collecting from the car?
As Helio said, we have a number of sensors on the car, and it's a pretty open question. But to break it down, just from the car standpoint, we'll collect engine parameters, whether it's temperatures, pressures, all the kind of the basics, and then the next level will be things like tire pressures and some, maybe some other critical items that, are things that we need to know from a safety standpoint. But then we get into all the chassis side, the damper displacements, aerodynamic loads, the wheel loads, the individual shock velocities and accelerations, and then all of that is fed into a data system on board, of which we take those sensors and write additional mathematical channels to do predictive analysis and have that stuff transmitted back to the pits real time, so that we can, exactly what Helio said, understand what it is to make them go faster, or understand if they're telling the truth.